At GCC, our expertise is sitting down with the customer and working out the specifications of their application. As an approved Rexroth distributor, we have access to tools like GoDesigner. With GoDesigner, we work directly with our customer for specifications for a hydraulic power unit, submit those to the factory. The factory works up a detailed electrical schematic, solid models, and design, sending that with information like pricing and specifications back to us in engineering so we can work with our customer for the right product. GCC partners with Rexroth knowing that Rexroth is top quality, top delivery, and best pricing. We can deliver this back to the customer in a timely manner. We can use Rexroth expertise at the factory level to provide competitive pricing and timely deliveries. A lot of the time that we put into it for design ultimately goes on to the customer. With the GoPak designer, with quick turnaround design, you take all of the engineering man hours out of it to reduce costs for the customer in the long run. If we didn't have tools like GoDesigner, we would have to design everything in-house. Usually that would be anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks of design time. This cuts out all of that work for us and gets all of the information for us to pass on to the customer with just a few hours. Saving costs in the long run for bulk pricing, standardized pricing with standardized components.